This company makes insane electric futuristic trailers, different sizes, and even self-assist driving models that are just on another level. And this year at CES 2025, they're showcasing their new full electric solar-powered RV. Starting price $300,000, which is stupidly cheap for its size, feature and specs. Check this out. Massive expansion ratio from 195 square feet up to over 400 square feet. Expands on all three sides. You get EV or diesel engine options, flexible living space that can be easily transformed from an office to secondary bedroom. There's so many options here, you can choose whichever suits you. Furniture can be conveniently hidden and stored when needed. And on top of that, 5 kilowatts plus high capacity solar. You have a water recovery system, solar water heating system, water filtration system, water recycling, and high efficiency climate control. This thing is nuts. Guys, this vehicle is just insane. So look at the side here. So all this comes inside, and we're gonna walk in, we'll show you. It's over 400 square feet. It looks way bigger. You have solar panels on top, 165 kilowatt battery, charged from empty to full in a little bit less than half an hour, 250 miles in range. You can charge for solar the main battery. 45 kilowatts is designated for inside area for all the electronic supplies, all the appliances, all the lights, microwave, you know, water, heating, all the stuff that you need, right, to live inside. And look at this. So all middle comes out, and look how long it is in the back. And also the back comes out, so extends almost like one bedroom in Manhattan and New York. And I'm not sure if this is going to be, you know, coming to reality, because they're saying in 2028 this will be available to buy, and this entire vehicle is going to cost $298,000, which is ridiculously cheap. And we're going to go inside and see the quality. But if you look, this is actually, compared to Xpeng, which is all fake, and this is like half the stuff not running, is just like, you know, just to exhibit and show you. And every year they come with new models that don't actually fly, just to show you the concept. Here, they drove this thing here. So 3 years to go, it's a long time, and they're really like, you know, a lot of things can go right and wrong, but this vehicle looks insanely cool and tall enough, spacious, and it's just, look, even this side extends. Like, this is insane. And yeah, let's get inside and see how it looks. This is incredible. And look at the structure here. All this opens up. Charging port right here. Look at the design. Gears, all this sticks out. This is really engineered to like the biggest, the most space they can get in this type of RV. And I don't know if this is a prototype or production version, but looks incredibly well done. Just beautiful. Go ahead. Yeah. And this is how it looks inside. 2 pedals. Look how clean this is. Screen, wheel, seat. What do you guys think?
This is about the, so you can still walk, use the.
This is so much space. This is impressive. Entire thing, all this room collapses and moves inside. Like, this part is wider than the entire bus, entire RV. Full-size fridge. Not sure how do you open this. Freezer on top, right? Full-size freezer.
Yes.
You have a kitchen, almost like a full size, right?
Yeah.
You have washer and dryer, right?
Dryer, yes.
Perfect. And what's behind here? Microwave, kitchen,
and the microwave, yeah.
bunch of storage.
Yeah, storage.
I'll open this side. I mean, this is like almost like a regular size Manhattan kitchen, like bigger than Manhattan size kitchen. Look at this. Let's go in the bathroom. Look at this. Full size shower, bathroom, sink, storage down. I mean, I would make this much smaller and have like more like living space. This entire bedroom actually comes from inside the frame. Look at this thing. Queen size bed. You have room to go around. Storage there, big freaking windows. This is insane. And all of this for 298K, that they can't, I don't think they're gonna do this. Dude, I don't think this is gonna be more than 200K. It's way more here for the price. I mean, I'm sure if you guys come with 300K in 3 years, this is gonna sell like hotcakes.
Yeah,
You won't be able to
agree.
produce enough. It's probably gonna be more than 700K because this is so much here.
Yeah, probably.
But it's very, I mean, it's like, I don't know, it's beautiful, beautifully done. Love it. You can freaking get one of these if it's 300K and just travel around the world and live in it. Fantastic. And all the seams, this all collapses inside, right?
So the floor wall too high.
Oh, goes on top. Okay, okay.
Yeah, and the wall is bifold wall, so the floor wall
Collapses inside, yeah. I mean, if you walk inside while looking outside, you wouldn't know that this is collapsible. It's like perfectly flush, and there's a gap here, but like it looks good. It looks really good. Yeah, it looks very well. Freaking insane. Beautiful. I love it. 250 miles is not a lot, but 45 kilowatts the battery is, you know, it's put to use inside. All the lights, heat and everything.
In that video, you can see that.
Yeah. And look, when it's compact, it's so small.
So even when it's open, there's
Oh, it's
more
open right there. Let's go
panels
take a
on
look.
top.
Yeah, you can see. Let's go. Yeah, let's take a look. Look at this. So you have footage here showing how it's opening. So when entire vehicles collapsed, it's so small. And this is the footage when they actually brought it here. So they drove this thing here, which is impressive. You don't see half the stuff at CES as prototypes that are not actually working. And this is their new product that's coming next year, third or fourth quarter. Impressive stuff. Really, really beautiful stuff.